Obuase ase omo yama nsem bone e de ababefa koyi.
Yenkai ehun say omo aye fighting against them now also are fighting against us. They are not ready to stop the galamsey. So we should be very proactive. Say be finding means and ways always we are going to be 3 steps ahead of them. And yes, they be e be your problem free hand or china no say bia ho. We will suffer. National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretary Task Force. Where the area hosem if you say ye kwaba ye be bo on Ghana because ye mpese galamsey ebe say yensu ama amanfo nyansu num ye mpese galamsey ebe say ye forest ye mpese galamsey nti ye nuane ebe contaminated na yawo baby with child offense child deformities debi ye mpene sa na we akwaya hosem galamsey fu amu anti galamsey task force and National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretary Task Force. Omugo PMU ewa Ashanti region around Adase Nyantrem road no so ekofa Obuase accident kesi ekwekosi ye no so jani ba ko aka Naimus efo wa free miensa at a critical condition all because yes for God and country John Dramani Mahama and the EPA including Ghana Water Company Limited, and civil society organizations, Akomobo for the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretary Task Force. Say you found Kuntia Galamsey for Amamboy for Musemra, Ghana Mran say illegal mining, almost on the Monty said to go be in my bed. Now, dear Yamana deep rooted, said politically, chieftains, traditional I can't follow. Omudo Mwabe Sembi. Amana de no tokona kwan ye de but now say the current administration John Dramani Mama Yananu say galamsey no mra so say tu ase kra na we na no ya yete say hwidiem asoja fo ba 8 anom kan na musu security ho MP mu a ya allege say Ebenezer Kwaku Ado our Stephen North and the boys and the concession our say NDC new or fight against Namus na sem eguzu wo court aye ba ko ye wie ye the next one ye ti say na mosofo ni bi koto mu tunso so mo pe galamsey fu achi omo ye ebi koka mu a omo so aye nyame dia all because we are fighting against galamsey and akwa ba bedru say omo say cooperation ye bad road the galamsey areas ni na I don't know why where gold na your biggest revenue generation no everybody no whether from legal sources or illegal sources how was our kwani nanya no I'm still wondering why enti kwani nyenti adasama omo kwa ba yekope bidi abedi eni ye ne ebenya asem enenam omo kwa konya asem omuni na nyense preprapa abibe mu dan ehu akdiaka no empaboni doctor for experience eni be careful Nemom no ba ko de to eho na wa ye nyame dia
Ene mo nyina na ba hospital ha na ne police officer no so no oka ho na kasai Obuase ase omo yama nsem bone e de ababefa koyi entesa yesika kum ye gene okoko no mo ka me ho na me na mo ba ye na me bebisa ye sa bia nim so obi attack omo makom routine normal routine rounds a omo ye na omo ba no sa asem no beto am accident timi so obabia but minima de kronti ade bia Obuase obi to Obuase ho asem a no ma sheda de bi akeka ho omo pese omo sekro no edi entesa obi anko antaki obi a accident in the by sign na esiye moka sama sort ye nti attack bia mfi bebia ba ye omo maye njai sade na bibia ni a no omo ten stories omo fabricated stories about Obuase. It's never true and it's not good mo maye njai enye yenyina ye Ghana for it's not good me that say
en consider ben ana galamsey ebe ko so aye problem. How do we end this galamsey once and for all because the 8 gallant heroes the nice name idea me I am for this you they died because we're still planning and finding policies and ways and methods. I the best topic galamsey we shouldn't make their blood toil in vain. And say yetimi repay them. Emo say whatever they were wishing, desiring, or fighting against, Ghanaians made sure say ebe holding to high esteem. Say that be possible. Say ampa almost amanda obeda. Because yentimi go mu kwasa. We eyawrehosem. 9 months officials are more fighting against Galamsey. Baku afrimu mensa aprapra pa. Eti we Emma Ashanti Regional Minister Dr. Amakwekene and I'm say a ne region and we see no so John Dramani Mahama name we Ashanti region ti or the message ever to X and say I extend my deepest condolences to the family of the deceased during this difficult moment. Their loss is a loss to the region and we stand with them in prayer and solidarity. I also with the injured officers a swift and complete recovery. The Regional Security Council and the Obuasi municipal authorities are coordinating with the appropriate agencies to ensure that the injured receive the best possible medical attention. The matter is being investigated to establish the circumstances surrounding the incident and to guide the necessary interventions. The safety and well-being of all personnel engaged in national assignment remain a priority, and every effort will be made to prevent similar occurrences. The Ashanti region stands united in support of the affected officers, their families, and the entire NIMOS team. And the way any asema Dr. Amakwekene eka tire Ashanti region any Ghana food nan say the SBA no ya opa any abinidie omode mabusua omode hye afrimu no say ya say adwuma enti ana ne say ato no na wono so wapira no omoso omoka che abusuafo say omo hyeden na emum no ombeka abom all the government institutions plus the military and NIMOS for eka abom na kwansidie bia se omode ba ma kwan bie ma yetimi hwesa nkrofo miense kama ye be ya ma na efe na enu achi no ye ka kire NIMOS for se yetawachi do me bia no ye Ashanti region for de ye de support amabe am fantastic. And the benzo na moso mebe proper planning na you see ahead, plan ahead. The minister can say be investigate the cause of this accident. It could be say a vehicular fault one. A car na akonya asem passenger and a driver and an driver and as a kwan enye and as obi kura na akoti brake bi akodu tire bi abra na omusi down so omukwe operation bi ai ba inti akoja accident yi say any sa ya di kan planning ahead because yen kai ehun say omo aye fighting against them now also are fighting against us. They are not ready to stop the Galamsey, so we should be very proactive. Say you be finding means and ways always we are going to be 3 steps ahead of them. And yes they bia e be ye problem free hand o tena no say bia ho we will suffer. Now, when it happened after said just some few hours back, the catcher said Chinese man na we pay mo Ghana we Galamsey ni bi. Na excavator ko kana share atachemu na wamem ayira. Akwa ko wenka na amfo say we dey. Enkebeka say yenso no na share say omo yen sanchire ne kakra msa. Ene ko ma chepa wo dada. Ma twam ya say ne sa anka we foreigners gratitude. Omba ene ko mamem, omba ene ko mamem. Hallelujah. In can next time for France and Mabu, so muhu the way foreigners ebrewa ha. Nanka yellow cars na yitimi nto excavators na yido. Ya sha say na ya adwen bafi. Because ye dey uma ye tip kakra bia na sebi jimina bete. Na ndie bedi nkwasa asem sa.
Tana ni na tomo, tana ni na tom. Ko do do abade. Ona damnu. O ti be bani se o. E de ba ko si. So la de no kono urade. Munchino. Emu wa oni akoma de oba ble o. Munchino, munchi na nino. Dabi, wa so buta ni musa kakra na mfa no nkoto ho no. Ha. Munchi no tenani no. Oh, urade.
If you don't buy an problem,
Huh. Ah. Oh. Tenani so na tom na so de ko no.
Buddy.
Obi anim so modwale ana. Operators in the woman dwale ntoma dwale apie.
Kwan be so ana ebefa so aservice ha niam we na eno wo head the way a Naimos official ba ko afrim na miense so prepare ya na zade ani ye nyan na when Aluta FM also issue a formal retraction and apology to 3 regional ministers after a guest alleged said omo involved in illegal mining. Station no say omo claim no were unverified and omo reflecting on the position no omo we say oh they be ade no yanka say mistake nka say trade was any as central ku dumadie de eni kwa say fa nema falas am say masa galam say fat ye ni abro enti uma false allegation as the agency here no free fire service ebedu bebi no money be ha oba from no mma bio omo mma bio mu nsi ho enti adenti anahu say galam say ye person fighting once and for all enti as a media house say munye bias na say muye standing in the middle for God and country one there you should know say untimi akizu obi na say nipa kono at the end of the onya at the end of the next person na oye galam say obeka no ye nyi bio na ono be fa no di fala why but on that chopper e dia fa x no so e dia ba na papa your friend Mahama Ayarga awe majority leader of parliament as the NDC never promised a state of emergency. It is not in the NDC manifesto, in the candidate Mahama speeches, nor at any rally, according to Mahama Ayarga. Or say NDC answer Ghana for so a state of emergency. Any NDC manifesto and nowhere, no video, no audio, no print words. I go to John Dramani Mahama. Ana okasa asem say state of emergency oba or the baba amagalam say etuotwa enti NDC for MPP for nkomo mugusu di as still John Dramani Mahama shebo say the state of emergency be bantu famra say na be ya Naimos for ewi etobetwa no Mahama yerga say wankasa ada enti mama yemfa asem no emese na no ne
Mr. Speaker, the NDC as a political party and John Dramani Mahama as the candidate never promised a state of emergency. Never. NDC never promised. The manifesto is there. The manifesto captures the promises we made to Ghanaians. And there are video clips of every rally, every statement of the candidate John Dramani Mahama. And he never promised a state of emergency. So I believe the honorable member can retract that and continue, even though I have no problem if the honorable member says that an expressway to Kumasi is unnecessary. The people of Kumasi don't deserve an expressway. I think that the state of emergency was never promised. It was never a commitment of John Dramani Mahama and the NDC.
Yes, Honorable Patrick Boma.
Mr. Speaker.
Did you say some experts propose a declaration of state of emergency? Or you said the NDC promised a state of emergency?
Okankwe Central Member of Parliament Patrick Yabuama say NDC say NDC insists the NDC did and says it is on record. Or say the NDC for a year Edifa Galamsen to Queen Nano and the Obia Behubi. Now that young grandma, your former book when you say baby moi a best Bible from Genesis Revelation and the Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. Dear John Dramani Mahama ye Bekani na I'm a Ghana phone who say yes. Way any asema ekoso ɛwɔ NDC amamumu against Galamsey enti emre pamno Ghana for na bu say NDC for na benka no kre.
I said the NDC promised a state of emergency, and I insist on that, and it's on record, Mr. Speaker. It's on record.
Eti Galamsey fight yeguso but ekono emu aya din ba bia duru ne de aje se wa aje se obamu ye dia duru de oyamie this e obamu dia duru de this e obamu baby Galamsey fight ekona duru no ha aye fight papa aye jasese aye jakoko aye fire burn you and you go come you go show yourself. Namos official bako afrimu ana miensa esu prepare on baby omoda no baby adu no empaibo any doctor's experience any bitima je omonkwa na we na yebusa se Galamsey fight ne krakra da benda and be fa the right channel near solve Galamsey once and for all. The Ashanti Regional Minister Dr. Amwako Hine esu se wate die no wo hye omabuzafo ni na hyeden ene yakọ nemom no omoso omapura no aban beboa am ye treat omo kama na omegoso atai na musifu achi amwako atia Galamsey nemom no omenhwehwemu ahudi ntia sa accident isi na me question ne se adenti ana da bia ye twen ma asem nisi ase ye hwehwemu ade ne ntimi proactive antin ade ne ntimi nwene ntrasem no adentia me question na no mentiase I know they understand I know the bab you know they enter my head. For comments eto comment section na say uya subscribe like it na say ma uya so enabi enwe edino eda so e ba ko Max Billion I will naked truth on old burger trends. Macron, bye bye.